This short tutorial will help you locate the information you'll need to purchase textbooks for each of your courses. Start by going to the Ohio University Zanesville homepage, ohio.edu/Zanesville. Once you're on the homepage, scroll down to find and select the Course Offerings option. The entire fall schedule for OUZ will load. Once it does, select New Search, marked here by the orange arrow. This next screen will allow you to search course by course for your textbook information. For each of your courses, you will click in the prompt area labeled Subject and enter the letters of the course number listed on your schedule. For example, MATH for math courses, BIOS or BIOL for biology courses, and ANTH for anthropology courses. In this example, we are searching for a history class, so we'll type HIST in the subject line and select History from the options appearing in the drop-down list. Be sure to select the Zanesville campus as your location and then click on the search button. Next, scroll down to find the full course number, letters, and numbers. In this example, we are looking for HIST 1330. Often, there are numerous sections of each course. So you'll want to check your schedule to locate the specific section for which you are enrolled, and then match that section number to a section number on the schedule. This is important as textbook requirements can vary from section to section. Once you find the correct entry, click on the green arrow to the left of that course. The course listing will expand. Look down toward the bottom of the entry to find textbooks and materials. Record the ISBN for each book listed, along with the book title, author, edition, and publication year. Be sure to notice if the professor has indicated that the book purchase includes access to online resources. In this case, the professor has indicated the ISBN provided is for a paperback version and has access to Launchpad, which is access to online resources for this textbook. Once you know what you need for this class, it's time to start over. Click on New Search in the upper left corner and repeat this process for every course on your schedule. Once you have all of your textbook information, use online resources to purchase or rent your books. The information on this screen is provided in the same content area as you found this tutorial. You'll be able to click on these links from there.